baby. I don't know what I'm doing. It says SD error. I guess not many people climb all the way to the top, but my friend did it a couple weeks ago and looked really cool. We're gonna try and do it for the first time, and brought the drone with me, so get some cool drone shots and I don't know, see if we can find any black bear or anything cool. You bring your gun?
Yeah.
Did you?
Yeah.
Are you lying? That sign says it's okay apparently in Mike Bond's eyes. This sign don't matter.
Said we're always welcome at, Missouri State Park. Go figure, I got a new match on Tinder right now. As I get in the mountains.
Okay, so
It goes here.
all that hiking and there's the gate that we weren't supposed to come in at. We walked all the way around. We've been hiking for what, 25 minutes?
Something like that.
And we're about 100 feet ahead of the gate. Do you want to just take the road up?
Yeah.
Behind me, we got this old army vehicle and all of these old army vehicles back here. And right in front of me, we just have a bunch of nature. Pretty crazy. I'm assuming that's a bullet hole. It's like I'm back in Chicago. We're gonna try and go all the way up there. There's a trail somewhere, or if we have to climb rocks, we're gonna try to make it all the way to the top. We stumbled upon a bunch of these little houses here, and the one was locked. I'm not sure. This one's probably locked too. Oh my God! Yeah, someone was definitely squatting in here. This would be the part where paying attention in history class would have came in handy. These vehicles are from some fucking war, who knows. A little runoff pond at the bottom of the fucking cliff. We're gonna go up this road and see if we can get all the way to the top of the mountain. It'd be cool. Not a fun place to be when you are deathly afraid of heights. That's a long way down. I'm gonna toss this rock. Oh my God. Well, what do you think?
I think this place is really, really cool.
I think we need to shoot another music video over here.
Yeah.
It's the only ride the duck boat left in fucking Branson, man. Crazy.